For the latest information regarding the COVID-19 pandemic in Cupertino, please visit cupertino.org/coronavirus.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for tuning in this morning. My name is Ricardo Romero Morales, Lead Public Information Officer here in the County of Santa Clara, and also a coordinator of Binational Health Week in the County of Santa Clara. This morning, we continue to do our segments on Binational Health Week. But before we get started, we want to let you know that we will be removing our face coverings. That way, our ASL interpreters can understand what we're saying. As I was saying, this morning we have here a guest, Valerie Mitsmuri, Coordinator of Support Services at Latinas Contra Cancer. Latinas Contra Cancer has been a great partner for Binational Health Week. And just as a reminder, Binational Health Week takes place the entire month of October here in Santa Clara County. And it's a collective effort among community partners, volunteers, and other federal agencies to provide services to our Latino community here in Santa Clara County. So before we get started, also, we want to remind you that there is an update on the cases, and you can see them on your screen right now. So let's go ahead and get started. So this morning, thank you, Valerie, for being here.
Thank you for having us
Thank
here.
you for joining us. I know in such a short notice.
Yeah, no worries.
So Valerie, talk to us a little bit about Latinas Contra Cancer and what services you offer and how you're helping our community.
Absolutely. So the services that we provide at Latinas Contra Cancer is health education. Health education, we do, we go into our community and educate our community on cancer through health bingos. We do presentations. We also do tabling events at hospitals, farmers markets, and schools.
Awesome.
And we also do patient navigation. Our patient navigation program, we help navigate people who are in need of examinations, clinics, and hospital information. And we also do survivorship support. So our survivorship support, we offer Spanish-speaking and English-speaking support groups. We do one-on-one therapy sessions, and we also have our wig and prosthetic boutique at no cost.
Wow. You truly offer a lot of services to our community. And you know, sometimes we're not aware of all the services that other agencies are offering. So thank you so much for sharing all that information with us. So Valerie, Latinas Contra Cancer has been a partner for Binational Health Week for a number of years. Can you talk to us a little bit about the importance of reaching out to the Latinx community here in Santa Clara County and the importance of partnering up with Binational Health Week?
Yes, absolutely. So it's important to us because we're working to create more equitable and accessible healthcare for the Latino community around detection, treatment, support of our survivors, and by removing those barriers to equal health care to the Latino community. And that's important to us.
That's great. So it's an amazing work that you're doing. I think many of us have been impacted by cancer in our families. We at least affected by it. Now, talking about COVID-19 and the current situation that we're facing, how has COVID-19 impacted Latinas Contra Cancer, and are you still providing services?
Yes, we are providing services, and since March, we have been working with our clients and our customers to help provide their needs in this COVID impact. And by that, we had distributed $120,000 in cash aid to our low-income Latino households.
That's great, especially right now, you know, people having a chronic health condition and also not being able to work or having somebody else to provide for them. So thank you for all the work that you're doing.
Absolutely.
So, you know, COVID has not only impacted Latinas Contra Cancer, but earlier you were talking about your personal experience and
Yes.
how has COVID personally impacted you. Can you share with us a little bit more about that?
Yes, absolutely. So my husband was infected by COVID. It is a really serious matter, and we need to take it into consideration because it is scary, and you know, it really affected our family and our household. And you know, thank God that he's great and strong, and he's here today. But it is a very serious matter.
Wow, I'm so sorry to hear that.
No
and
worries.
I mean, that just goes to prove that COVID is real, COVID is out there, and you know, even even all of us who are working in the healthcare industry are also exposed to getting COVID and are also at risk. So thank you everybody for continuing to practicing your social distancing and also continuing to wear your face coverings. Valerie, talk to us a little bit about the patient navigation program. You mentioned earlier that you guys do offer those services. Do you offer them in Spanish, and how has it been functioning right now during COVID-19?
Yes, we do offer it in Spanish. 90% of our clients are Spanish speaking. So we are offering many services and resources, because during this time we're not only navigating through our healthcare system, but we are now navigating through having to get resources for food, paying bills, and paying rent. It's really hard right now for our clients and our customers.
Yeah, you absolutely. So now with the patient navigation, I'm assuming also that the reason why patient navigation is so important is because many of the times we don't know who to ask questions, right? We don't know what the right question is if they speak our language. So you did mention that they do offer services in Spanish. Is there a phone number, or how can people reach out to the patient navigation system, or how do they contact you?
Absolutely. So you can reach out to us at our office phone number at 408-280-0811, or you can email us at office@latinascontracancer.org.
And those numbers right now are appearing on at the bottom of our screen right now, the phone number and the website. So if you have to pull out a pen and paper, please go ahead and write them down, and we'll go back to them so you can have an opportunity to write them down. So Valerie, talk to us about the screening. We know that screening for cancer is important. How often should people be screened for cancer?
So you should be getting screened every year for your breast exams, most importantly, and also your mammograms every 3 to 5 years. You should also really pay attention to your body, because your body tells you whether something is right or something is wrong. And I think that's the importance of listening to what you're feeling. And I think if you have any red flags, or you're feeling a different type of feeling or anything like that, you should definitely make an appointment with your doctor.
So there you have it. So if you are feeling something that's out of place, something abnormal, or even just something that doesn't feel right to you, please do call your doctor. Please do get checked, and normalize also the conversations about getting screened for cancer, because it is highly important for early detection as well, as you were mentioning earlier, right?
Mm-hmm. Absolutely, and you can always reach us online again, or at our number, to help navigate you through those challenges or difficult times that you have. Yeah.
So most of the events that you usually are tabling and providing all these activities and creating awareness in our community do happen in person, but due to COVID-19 and Binational Health Week now happening virtually, what type of events are you planning for Binational Health Week this month? So
we will be doing a mindfulness event. We'll be doing meditation. We'll be guiding our clients and our customers who are interested in doing meditations and exercising breathing techniques to help reduce stress and anxiety.
That is so important. Sometimes we do forget how to calm down. So having those types of activities and learning how to breathe, it's so helpful, and thank you for doing that.
Absolutely.
And is this event happening in English and Spanish, or just English?
It is actually happening in Spanish.
Oh, amazing.
So yes, we'll be doing it in Spanish, and we'll be doing it October 27th at 6:15 to 7 p.m. So we will be teaching exercises on that.
So October 27th?
Yes.
And what was the time again?
At 6:15 to 7 o'clock.
6:15 to 7 o'clock.
Yes.
And where can people watch this event?
Everyone can catch this event on Facebook Live at our Latinas Contra Cancer page, or on our YouTube channel, Latinas Contra Cancer.
Awesome. And then in case they didn't write down the Facebook page, all the information to this event is also on your website, correct?
Correct.
And what was that website again?
It's going to be www.latinascontracancer.org.
Perfect. And you can see them right now on the screen. So thank you for that information. I will definitely be tuning in. It is so important to remind ourselves how to practice mindfulness. Mm-hmm. So just remind us last time, what was that phone number that you mentioned earlier?
Our phone number that you could reach us at for any information is 408-280-0811.
Thank you, Valerie. Valerie, any last words that you want to provide to our audience?
Absolutely. So we at Latinas Contra Cancer have and will be continuing to help our community in navigating whatever it is that you need during this difficult time. So please feel free to call us for any help or any needs that you have at 408-280-0811, or you can catch us on our website at www.latinascontracancer.org.
Thank you so much, Valerie. And thank you for being here today as we continue to work on Binational Health Week. And we're in the middle of the month, so we still have events. So if you are interested, we highly encourage you to go visit our website, and that is www.sccbhw.org. And the website is currently appearing on your screen as well. There you will find a calendar of events with all the details and upcoming events that are happening. So we highly encourage you to tune in. That website is also in Spanish in case you want to share with a family member, a friend, or a neighbor. Having said that, thank you so much, everybody, for watching. We do want to thank you for all the continued effort and helping us to continue to move to the orange tier. I do want to remind you that just because we have moved to the orange tier and more businesses are opened and indoor dining is allowed, it doesn't mean that it's safe to do so. So we highly encourage you to continue to practice your social distance, wear your face covering, wash your hands, and remember that outdoors is safer than indoors. Please take care of yourself, your family, your friends, and your community. We're in this together, and we're here to support you. Again, thank you so much for watching, and please do catch us on our next Facebook Live, which is happening in Spanish at 11 o'clock, and then we have our regular Facebook Live next week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Thank you, everybody, for watching.
For the latest information regarding the COVID-19 pandemic in Cupertino, please visit cupertino.org/coronavirus.